A lot of people think na kung hindi sila umuunlad, merong mali sa kanila. Like, parang kulang sila sa discipline, kulang sila sa effort. Pero most of the time, hindi naman kasi tayo or hindi naman ikaw yung may mali. Yung system na kinasanayan natin, yun yung masasabi kong may problema. Kasi tinuruan tayo na yung tinatawag nating job security, that means staying in one company for years. Pero look around, that's not true anymore. Real security today comes from having a skill that pays you regardless kung saan ka nagwo-work right now. Kaya sabi ko nga 'di ba, hindi tayo or hindi ikaw yung may problem. Yung system na sinusundan natin, yun yung kailangan nating baguhin. We're not behind, we're just following the wrong system.